What in the world is going on at Walmart? From secretly dropping a new brand to likely getting rid of a shopper favorite to all kinds of amazing new finds for fall. We've got so much to talk about. As always, everything will be linked down in the description box below as well as put at the top of the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're gonna start this video talking about the brand new brand at Walmart. And this is a brand that has kind of secretly been rolled out by Walmart because at the time I am filming this video, there has not been any kind of official press release or any kind of official announcement from Walmart. There's just been this brand new brand popping up in stores and online, and it's called Scenario. And many people think that this new brand is actually replacing Time Tru. And I know a lot of you guys love Time Tru. I love Time Tru, but I do feel like this new brand is going to be something that will be very similar to Time Tru and perhaps even better, especially from the different items that I'm already seeing in store and online. And I am just very impressed with these clothes. They are very timeless and very classic. And it seems like Walmart is going in a different direction with this brand as far as like not trying to be so trendy, but really trying to be more timeless and classic and give you wardrobe staples at affordable prices. So very excited about this new brand. I'm sad to see Time Tru go, likely go. Of course, again, there's been no official press release from Walmart, but I do feel like this new brand is replacing Time Tru. And I have several pieces to share with you from Scenario in this video, starting with this new sweatshirt. So this is a pleated cuff sweatshirt. It's $14.98. It does come in several different color options. And for those of you who are very familiar with fall clothes at Walmart, you will know that Time Tru every year gave us a very nice sweatshirt. It was a fan favorite year after year. So this is, I want to say, Scenario's version of the Time Tru sweatshirt. It's a bit more elevated. It's a bit more structured, but it's still at a great price, $14.98. Another item you could always count on from Time Tru was some sort of waffle knit henley, and it was always a top seller. Well, Scenario has a waffle knit henley, and it's so good, you guys. I just love the design of this. It's very classic. It's very timeless. It does come in several different color options. It's $19.98, and it does run true to size. If you do want a little extra room, I would recommend going up a size in this henley, but it is such nice quality. I love the waffle knit. I also love the collar and the tortoiseshell buttons. The next two items I have to share with you are just truly great wardrobe basics to wear all throughout the fall and winter too. And the first is this fitted long sleeve. It's $9.98. This does come in a lot of different color options. And what I love about this long sleeve, it's extra stretchy, so it is very comfortable to wear. The fabric is soft, and to me, this is just like effortless dressing in the fall. You can just throw it on with some jeans and head out the door, or of course, if it is really cold outside, it's a great layering piece too. Okay, so next is one of my favorite new pieces from Scenario, and it's this tie front cardigan. It's $17.98. This does run true to size, and this is a cardigan that is very boho chic. It's very easy to style. All you have to do is throw it on top of a tube top or a cami or a bodysuit, and you could pair it with some jeans for a casual look, or in this video, I did pair it with a long maxi skirt, and I love that look too, but it's very comfortable. It's also really girly and feminine, and just a lovely cardigan to pick up for under $20. Next up from Scenario is this crew sweater. It's $18.98. And this is an item that of course you could wear right now as we are in the summertime. And then also as we're heading into the cooler months, because it is in that sweatshirt texture, but it is a short sleeve shirt. So I do love items like this that are great for transitioning from the warm months to the cooler months. I don't know about you guys, but it is still scorching hot here in Alabama. So I am very excited about some cooler temperatures, hopefully heading our way soon, but this is an awesome item to go ahead and wear now. And then of course, as we head into the cooler months. Now, along with all of the new clothes from Scenario, there are so many different shoes to choose from this new brand at Walmart. And I do have a couple to share with you in this video, starting with my most favorite. I just think these are such beautiful boots. So these are $46.98. They come in two different color options. They also run true to size. These do have a 3.35 inch stacked heel. They also have a zip closure on the inside, so they're really easy to put on and to take off. And then truly you can't go wrong with either color option. option that you choose, the black or the pecan, but I especially love this brown shade for the fall when it comes to boots. It just goes with everything. The next shoes I have to share with you from Scenario look like Birkenstocks, but they're a fraction of the price. These are Sling clogs. They're $26.98. They do run true to size, but they come in whole sizes only. So if you're in between sizes, I would recommend sizing up. They do have a little band on the back that helps you adjust your size to help them fit better. And yes, these look very similar to Birkenstocks, and I can already see on Walmart's website that over 100 people have bought these since yesterday, and they're already a bestseller, despite only being on the website for like a week or so. So yes, people are loving these shoes already, and they just do give that Birkenstock look at a fraction of the price. And then these are the last pair of shoes I have to share with you from Scenario. These are woven Mary Jane flats. These do come in 4 different color options. They also run true to size, and there are half sizes available. So I was very excited to see that. And these just look very sophisticated, very elevated when it comes to Mary Jane shoes, and just looking at the different kinds that are out there from Walmart and then other retailers. To me, these just look very, very elevated and expensive. I really do love the texture on these shoes, and also the fact that they are adjustable. So you can of course adjust them to your comfort, but they are under $30 and a great item that you will wear over and over again. Now, something I am so excited about when it comes to this new brand at Walmart are the purses. So with Time Tru, you hardly ever saw me share a Time Tru purse here on my channel, and that's because I didn't like a lot of the Time Tru purses, but every single purse that I've ordered from this new brand at Walmart has just been a 10 out of 10, knock it out of the ballpark good. So I have several to share with you in this video, starting with this faux leather bag. So this is $39.96. It does come in 2 different color options, and it has a beautiful woven texture to it. It is very, very soft to the touch. It's got gold accents, and there is so much space inside of this purse to hold all kinds of things. It's got a magnetic closure here at the top. It's got a zipper, and the lining is just so pretty. This chocolate brown color is everything, especially for fall 2026. You just absolutely can't go wrong with this purse. It looks way more expensive than its price. Next is another just beautiful bag from Scenario. I feel like I'm gonna sound like a broken record by the end of this purse segment. I am just, again, just blown away by all of these purses, but this is a bucket bag, and this is $26.96. There's a faux suede option and also a faux leather option as well, and a couple different color options, but I did go with this leopard print, and this leopard print is really well done, and this does feel just like suede. So it does have a nice texture to it, feels really great, and it's got a base that is flat, so it's going to sit up on its own. So if you want to store this in your closet on a shelf, it sits up on its own. So I feel like that's an important detail to tell you about. It also is a large bag. I love that large bags are coming back in style, because I just have a lot that I carry with me all of the time, and these little bags just would not hold all of the items that I needed to take with me when I would leave the house. So I did want to show you the lining inside of this bag. Again, just beautifully done with this brown color. It's got a magnetic closure at the top, and you've got a zippered pocket on one side and a little pouch on the other. And then this is the next purse I have to share with you, just another gorgeous bag that looks way more expensive than its price. This right now is under $25. It's $24.96, which is such a steal of a deal for such a nice bag that you will wear over and over again. It does come in 2 different color options. I picked up the color option that Walmart is calling autumn brown, and just like the shoes, the boots I shared with you a little while ago, this color option, it just goes with almost everything, I would say, in your fall wardrobe. You just can't miss with a color like this. And also this size bag is really perfect. It's like not too big, not too small. The details, can we talk about the details on this bag? So the strap just go down both sides of the purse, and then it is adjustable, so you can make the strap longer if you would like. The strap is also braided, so I really like the attention to detail there. All of the accents are gold, and then on the inside you do have a zippered pocket and an open pouch. And then last but certainly not least of the new purses from Scenario are these crossbody handbags. They do come in 2 different size options. So you have a small option and also a larger option. The larger option is $24.96, and then the smaller bag is $19.96. And there are a couple of different color options available in these bags too, but they are a nice faux suede material, and just depending on, you know, your bag needs, go with the size that you want. But this is another bag that does look way more expensive than its price, and it's a bag that you will wear over and over again. And it was really hard to choose which colors to go with these handbags, but this olive color is just gorgeous. And then you cannot miss with navy right now. I am very into dark and moody blues right now, and this is just such a beautiful navy blue for the fall. Again, gold hardware on this bag, no branding whatsoever. So I feel like Walmart has definitely gotten the message that we do not want any branding on our clothes. We don't want any branding on our purses. We don't want people to know that the items came from Walmart. We want people to know that we have good style and fashion sense, and we just don't want people to know how much we actually spent on our clothes, because, well, maybe we do, you know, because a lot of times when people will tell me like, hey, I like your bag or your jeans or your top, I'll have to say, thanks, it's from Walmart. I cannot resist telling people that, but truly these bags do look way more expensive than their price, and no one has to know they came from Walmart. And then this is the last item I have to share with you from the brand new brand Scenario at Walmart. But just know there are new items dropping, it seems like every single day, from this brand on Walmart's website. So I will do my best to update the community post to keep you guys in the know whenever anything new drops. But just know there's new clothing, new shoes, new jewelry. So some of the jewelry I'm wearing today is from Scenario too. I'm just loving all of the new things that are dropping from this new brand and very excited about what's to come. But the very last item I have to share with you from the new brand in this video is this braided belt. This is $12, and as far as sizing is concerned, it does run small, so I did go up a size in this belt, but it's another item that looks way more expensive than its price. It's really well done with the texture, with the braid on the belt, and also the big gold buckle in the front. You will see this a lot throughout this try on in this video, and it's an item I'm gonna wear over and over again, and I bet you will too. Now, like I said at the beginning of this video, it does seem like Time Tru is being phased out at Walmart, which is sad, but I am very excited about what's to come with Scenario. But as we say goodbye to Time Tru, I did want to include one Time Tru item in this video that is a classic, just timeless piece to add to your wardrobe. It is this tunic sweatshirt. It's $17.98. It does come in 3 different color options, and it runs true to size. And this is just a great wear every day, do all of the things sweatshirt in. It has a sweater feel to it, like a lightweight sweater feel. So I know Walmart is calling this a sweatshirt, but to me it feels more like a lightweight sweater. It's very easy to style, and it's one of those pieces that you will want to grab and wear every single day. Now, in this video, I was hoping to have some free assembly and also some scoop items to share with you for fall 2026, but for whatever reason, Walmart's fall fashion this year is dropping extremely slow, and the items will drop on the website and then they are gone. You will click on the item, it'll say, you know, this page, this item does not exist. So I am not sure why Walmart is having some issues with their fall fashion this year, but I will do my best as the different pieces drop from free assembly and also scoop. I will keep you guys updated over on my community posts. But yeah, every single year, like clockwork, the fall fashion tends to drop around the same time, which is like the end of July, early August. But we're not seeing a whole lot of new fall fashion coming out of free assembly and scoop just yet. But maybe as I publish this video, you will see a lot of new items. I will make graphics. I will keep you guys in the know to the best of my ability. But I did want to share my thoughts with you about just the delayed fall drops overall on Walmart's website, especially when it comes to free assembly and with scoop. But I did want to move on to my favorite brand at Walmart, and that is Joyspun. I just love my pajamas and I love my loungewear, and there are some brand new fabulous items from Joyspun that I am so excited to share with you, starting with this brand new satin pajama set. This is $24.98, so you get both the top and the bottoms for that price. And this does come in several different color options. Now, I did go ahead and pick it up in the striped options because I think those look so much like Ralph Lauren. Like, to me, this is giving Ralph Lauren at a fraction of the price. So I really love the striped looks, but you absolutely can't go wrong with any of the prints too. But this does run true to size. It's a very comfortable, very elevated, expensive looking pajama set for right under 25 bucks. Without fail, every single year, Joyspun gives us some sort of plush robe, and this year I think they did their best robe ever, especially when it comes to the color options. So this robe is $23.98, comes in 4 different color options. I imagine more colors are on the way, but just an early look at this robe, you've got 4 color options to choose from. This robe does run true to size. It is very minky, it is very plush, and just feels so great against your skin. It's got 2 pockets in the front, it's got an inner tie and an outer tie, and the only thing that would make this robe better is a hood. So Walmart, if you're listening, I would love a hood in 2027 on your Joyspun plush robe. But the color options that I picked up, I am just in love with the chocolate brown and also this neutral animal print. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so great. If you're an animal print lover, you have to get this robe. I am just in love with how well they did this neutral animal print, but the brown is just gorgeous too. Another bestseller year after year from Joyspun are these velour sleep pants, and they are back this year in some fabulous new color options. These pants are $9.98, and yes, so many different color options to choose from. They also run true to size. They are extremely soft and very, very comfortable. They have an elasticized waist. I do not see an inseam on the listing on Walmart's website, but just know I am 5'7" with a long torso, and I always put all of my sizing information down in the description box below to help you as you shop. But yes, you will not regret buying a pair of these pants, and you will just live in them all throughout the fall and winter time too. Okay, so moving on now to amazing new slippers from Joyspun. I got so excited when I saw these on Walmart's website. So these are faux fur puff slippers. They are $12.98 a piece, and there are a bunch of different color options to choose from. I'm typically used to getting like a couple different color options in slippers from Walmart, but no, they were like, we're giving you all of the different color options to choose from in these slippers, and some color options you wouldn't necessarily think of when it comes to slippers. But I did get the cream color, and that's like a beautiful neutral for the fall and for the winter time. But really, you can have some fun with these slippers. Go with whatever color speaks to you. These do run true to size. They are extra comfortable, and they do have an exaggerated puff to them. So I feel like on the website, you can't really tell how exaggerated the puff is, but these from Free People, there's a Free People version of these. They're called snowball slippers, and they are meant to have an exaggerated kind of like oversized puff look to them. So I did want to share that. So they bring the drama for sure, but they are very elegant, just very pretty slippers that I think you will really enjoy wearing, especially if you love faux fur. All right, guys, well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on all of the different things we talked about in this video, from the new brand scenario at Walmart. Are you excited about it like I am? Are you sad to see Time Tru go? Because it does seem like Walmart is phasing out Time Tru to make way for this new brand scenario. Let me know your thoughts on the delayed fall drops at Walmart as far as fall fashion is concerned. Like, I am already seeing Halloween items in the bakery section at Walmart, and I'm like, where are all of the fall clothes? Like, I just feel like we are on such a delay for whatever reason. And I know different stores have different problems, inventory issues, website issues, and things like that. But I am seeing slowly but surely more fall fashion every day dropping on Walmart's website. And of course, I will do my best to keep you guys in the know. And of course, I just appreciate you guys so much. I cannot express to you how much it means that you watch my videos, you comment, you hit the like button, and you know, I don't even ask for that ever, but you always are just such a great support to me, and I appreciate you more than words can say. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and until my next one, I'll see you then.